trying Jamaican breakfast for the first time.
Fish. We have salt mackerel, plantain porridge, and hominy corn porridge.
All right. Where do I go first? Let's see.
Let's try the hominy corn
This
porridge.
looks disgusting. All right.
Looks disgusting. Don't
Yes.
say that.
All right.
Don't say that. The comments will be pissed at you. Ready?
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Here you go.
Really sweet. Really, really sweet.
We're good?
Yeah, good. Peanut?
Yeah.
All right.
Peanuts.
This is going to be more like what I like right here.
Yeah, I love peanuts. That's it.
That feels right.
And the peanuts is the winner. So now we're having ackee and saltfish for the first time. Let's try some ackee for the first time.
With a fork, because everybody was complaining about me using a plastic spoon. All right. What is that? Eggs?
It's like a fruit. It's a fruit.
Okay. Yeah,
Yeah.
it tastes like tofu or something.
But it's savory.
What's this? What's this?
That's dumpling.
How do I eat this?
Just eat it.
With my fingers? I like that.
You like dumpling? And pumpkin. Okay.
What's this?
All right. This is sweet potato. Yeah. I'm gonna pause here. Come back for part 2. We try the rest.